everyone, thanks so much for joining me today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have the July 2024 Sew Sampler box to share with all of you. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. It says Playful Summer, July 2024. Ooh, this is a good one. 20% off of one order. And then here's a free quilt pattern at the Fat Quarter Shop. You can go ahead and scan that QR code with your phone. It's free for everybody, not just Sew Sampler members. Inside we have this little pamphlet that tells us the contents of the box as well as the cost of each item. And I totally forgot until I just opened this box just now, but this is the 100th box of Sew Sampler. I've been a subscriber for 5.5 years now, but I think it's been 7, maybe 8 years now that they've had the Sew Sampler, so that is extremely exciting. Actually, do the math, 100 divided by 12, whatever that is. Okay, first up we have this adorable, cute little bag. I'm in love. Oh my gosh. I actually just bought a shirt at the beach that has a cross-stitch heart on the sleeve. It's so cute. Anyway, this is the Small Stitch Love Maker Bucket by Moda Fabrics, and the Sew Sampler got it first, so that's good. So this will be available on Fat Quarter Shop's website, and it retails for $7.98. I'm trying to hold it up. We've got so much love for this darling little bucket. This exclusive Stitch Love Maker bucket is the perfect adornment for your sewing space. Use it to hold scraps, notions, or fabrics wherever you love to stitch. Oh, it's a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive, so this will not be available on any other websites, just Fat Quarter Shop, and of course it's their blue that they love so much. This is really so cute. I'm one of those people that actually throws all of my scraps on the ground, and then I'll go ahead and run the vacuum and pick them all up later. But I feel like I need to use this now, right? What else would you use this for? I'm trying to think. I don't know, even like a cute little project, right? If you're working on just something really small and you want to stick it in there and take it to the car with you. This is just the most adorable thing I've seen of late. Next, we have this blue fabric water-soluble glue pen. This retails for $7.48, and this is by Sewline. I've actually wanted all of the Sewline brand because I do want to start English paper piecing at some point. But this says, this little blue glue pen is a quilting classic with a water-soluble formula. It goes on with a blue tint so that you can see where it's been applied but dries clear. With a light adhesive hold, it's a great tool for paper piecing and even small piecing when pinning just won't cut it. You will receive one of the two colorways. So this one is the pink and white, and then it looks like there's also maybe a purple and white, or maybe a gray. No, that definitely looks purple. Anyway, I like pink. Pink's a good color, but I've seen a lot of the pink and white online, and it would have been really cool to get this purple one because I don't think I've ever seen that online. Next, we have this Sew Sampler 100 Mini Stash and Store. It retails for $8.48. This is by Fat Quarter Shop, and it is limited edition Sew Sampler exclusive, which means you cannot get this on their website. You can probably get a Mini Stash and Store, but you definitely can't get the 100 Sew Sampler box Mini Stash and Store. But yeah, this is a little bonus that they gave us in this month's Sew Sampler. And if you don't know, you can go ahead and put scissors. You can go ahead and put pens in here, pencils. Yeah, anything like that that can fit in these little grooves. Okay, so we actually got a ton of fabric here. Here's 3 charm packs. This is 30s Playtime Charm Packs by Lindsay McCrae from Moda Fabrics, retailing for $35.94. It says, get ready to play around with the most adorable 1930s prints from 30s Playtime by Lindsay McCrae from Moda Fabrics. With 3 full charm packs at your disposal, there is no shortage of the creative ways you can play with 30s Playtime. Filled with little ditzy dots, flowers, and geometrics, this fabric brings out all the bright retro colors that we love. All right, and I'll go ahead and put these up here so that you can see all the fabrics that are in this line, because I am about to go through it a little bit right here. I just got to figure out the best way. So here's, oh geez. Oh, cute little dots. I actually have some of these dots downstairs. I do feel like this camera is picking up the colors really well, so this is good. These are pretty true to what they look like in real life. Oh, I didn't realize there was purple. That's good. Just kind of, goodness. Okay, there you go. And here we have the 4-inch Woven Star foundation paper pad. This is by It's So Emma. And so Sampler got it first, so this will be available on Fat Quarter Shop's website shortly. This retails for $9.98, and it says this block design is sure to weave its way into your heart. The Woven Star quilt block is a classic yet captivating star that will light up any color palette. Shaded and numbered templates make this simple paper piecing fussy-free, and each pad makes 42 blocks. Okay? Just kind of looking at this pattern really quick. That's really cute. I'm trying to think if there's a way you could do it without this foundation paper. Here's this little adorable 5 stars table runner pattern by Fat Quarter Shop. This does retail for $9.98. Let's see, it measures 16.5 inches by 64.5 inches. And it's really cute. It just takes those little star foundation paper, if you can see, and some half square triangle blocks put together like a little bow tie, and then some solid 5-inch charm squares as well to create this table runner. There is also a little option, well, not little, it's a big option. Sorry, I can't see. There's a big option here for a quilt as well. So that is 68.5 by 76.5. Cute little quilt. And let's see, what does this say? This says, we give this table runner 5 stars for the cheerful vibe it radiates into any space, designed to use the charm packs and 4-inch Woven Star foundation paper pad included in this month's box. This project is highly rated for fun sewing times ahead. Limited finishing kits are available at the Fat Quarter Shop. Oh my goodness, you guys, I totally forgot. I'm so sorry. So here is the Peaceful Baskets block number 4 quilt along. This retails for $4.98, and it says, feel at peace in your sewing room as you work on the Peaceful Baskets quilt. This sampler quilt draws on traditional sewing baskets for inspiration while becoming an artfully unique quilt. If you missed one, all Peaceful Basket block patterns are available at the Fat Quarter Shop, and I no longer see a nod to the finishing kit or the, sorry, not finishing kit. I no longer see a nod to the quilt kit, which tells me that they're probably sold out, but I'll go ahead and confirm. I went ahead and totaled up our box contents, and it came out to $84.82. I think that we only paid about $35 for this box, so that's about $50 in savings. This box is just out of this world. I'm guessing because it was their 100th box that they've done. But anyway, my favorite item is definitely this cute little tote, this little bucket tote. I will cherish and love this forever because it is so adorable. I would love to know what your favorite item is down below. And yes, I will see you all next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, everyone.